Stocks in news: Angel One, Advance AgroLife, Nykaa, Bank of India and HCL Tech. 1. Angel One Q2, client base up 24%, acquisition down 42%, funding book up 36%, market share rises. Angel One added 17.4 lakh new clients during the quarter, taking its total client base to 3.41 crore, up 24% year-on-year and 4.9% sequentially. The average client funding book surged 36.4% year-on-year, YoY, to 5,305 crore rupees, reflecting increased participation in market activities. 2. Advance AgroLife IPO, check application status, chances of allotment, latest GMP and more. Advance AgroLife sold its shares in the price band of Rs 95 to 100 apiece, applied for a minimum of 150 shares and its multiples to raise 192.86 crore rupees between 30th September and 3rd October. 3. Nykaa shares jumped 7% to record high, profit booking of further gains ahead. Nykaa, the stock eventually settled 6.54% higher at 255 rupees and 50 paise. At this price, it has rallied 49.15% in the last 6 months. The counter logged heavy trading volume along with the price action today as around 20.28 lakh shares changed hands on BSE. The figure was way more than the 2-week average volume of 1.11 lakh shares. Turnover on the counter came at 50.73 crore rupees, commanding a market capitalization, MCAP, of 73,119.99 crore rupees. 4. Bank of India Q2 updates, global business rises 11.8%, check stock reaction. Retail term deposits in the domestic market stood at 3,45,026 crore rupees, registering a 14.15% growth. Bank of India on Monday recorded a year-on-year growth of 11.8% in its global business, shows its business update for second quarter of FY26. The bank's total global business reached 15,61,888 crore rupees, up from 13,97,100 crore rupees a year earlier. Global deposits climbed 10.08% on a yearly basis to 8,53,301 crore rupees, while global gross advances saw a 13.94% rise, amounting to 7,08,587 crore rupees, compared to 6,21,919 crore rupees a year ago. The domestic segment also reflected steady growth. Domestic deposits climbed 8.53% year-on-year to 7,30,097 crore rupees, up from 6,72,732 crore rupees during the same period last year. Retail term deposits in the domestic market stood at 3,45,026 crore rupees, registering a 14.15% growth. Domestic gross advances rose to 5,96,794 crore rupees, marking a 14.62% increase from 5,20,653 crore rupees as of September 2024. 5. HCL Technologies joins hands with MIT Media Lab for AI research. HCL Technologies has announced a partnership with the MIT Media Lab to advance next generation. HCL Technologies Ltd has initiated a partnership with the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's MIT Media Lab, aiming to advance collaborative research in artificial intelligence and emerging technologies. The initiative marks a notable step in HCL Tech's ongoing efforts to shape the future of AI and to create breakthroughs in technology domains such as quantum computing. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice.